To avoid this bloke's wife thinking we're just on another silly boys trip, we had to convince her that we were doing some work. And by work, we're really just playing around with the new John Deere 6250R. Jaden?
Working.
That's the spirit. Get
in the buddy. Get in the dicky seat.
Righto, let's drive. I tell you what, that is a perfect size cup holder for a slushie, like a 7-Eleven Slurpee. What do you think? No, not interested. So yeah, we're just hauling some Grizzly speed discs as well, tickling up some soil out here in a nice man's paddock out near Maffra. Initial thoughts, mate, before I jump behind it, what are your thoughts on the Command Pro?
Mate, it's real nice. Everything falls nicely to hand. You don't have to move your hand at all. All these functions can either be moved with the thumb or the two forefingers, and it's very easy to change any sort of functions that you want.
It's that buzzword that the manufacturers use at the moment. What is it? 3, 2, 1. Ergonomic! Big ups for this cabin too, is that rear window.
It's pretty smooth.
Rear window, great visibility out the back there, and suspension in this is fantastic. Oh, geez, you're rough. Oh, like, pass me my phone. I've got to call Johnny Worrell, my chiropractor. Johnny.
The tried and tested 6.8 litre 6-cylinder John Deere engine provides just under 300 max horsepower. That's the most John Deere have ever squeezed out of a 6000 series tractor.
Let's talk about the full frame chassis. It supplies support, durability and comfort to this bad boy. Good on you.
Deere have been a little bit late to the party with a multifunction joystick. They've come up with a real gem. 11 programmable features, and it sits nicely in the hand.
Come on, grab a go, yeah, please.
11 features, mate. It's too many for you.
Come on.
Can you even count to 11?
Let's talk about lights, because as you can see, this JD has quite a few. There's 14 LEDs on the front, 8 at the back, so when you flick this thing on, it lights up like a Christmas tree.
The new Gen 4 Starfire 6000 receiver allows accuracy of up to 2.5 centimetres without the need for a base station. Geez, Harry, it's a long way down, mate.
I have to agree with you, Jaden, on the Command Pro controller, mate. It's
pretty smooth, eh?
It's slick as. As we mentioned earlier, it's a long time coming for John Deere, but I think they've actually really nailed it. Really nailed it. But it feels awesome in the hand. They've obviously put a real serious amount of time into perfecting the feel. And that buzzword, ergonomics of the hand, it actually feels sweet, doesn't it? Now I've got the hang of the JDOS.
Not gonna lie, Harry, I think we need to be working smarter, not harder, mate. My wife will be impressed though.
Thanks, mate. Thanks for coming.